সবাইকে জানাই শুভ শারদীয়ার শুভেচ্ছা। Today I am showing this traditional makeup look with lal par and shada shari, which looks great with this gold jewelry. Today I have created this eye makeup with a heavy waterline paired with a nude upper lid, and the whole makeup looks very natural. So first I'm going to prep up my skin with this mixed setting spray in dewy. Now it will help to lock the makeup and also gives a natural dewy finish. Then I'm going to apply the colorbar perfect match primer to smoothen out my T-zone. Then to cover up the darkness on my face, I'm going to apply the l.a.girl concealer in shade orange. I'm applying this on the areas where I have pigmentation, and I'm using a damp sponge for blending. Then applying Loreal infallible foundation in shade 140 radiant beige. It gives a perfect natural coverage that looks really natural and also brighten up the skin. And also it lasts for all days, so it's perfect for festive season. Then I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in shade medium, and I'm applying this on the areas where I need to conceal, like underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my upper eyelid, and also on the areas around my mouth. Now for blending, I'm going to use this flat top kabuki brush, and I'm dabbing the product into my skin. And also drag the brush on the other side of my face, like on my neck area and on my ears. And I'm going to dab the excess product with this beauty sponge. Now I'm going to set all the concealer and foundation that I have on my face, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Luxury Banana Powder. First I'm going to apply this with this beauty sponge, and then I'm going to dust it off with this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to use a spoolie on my brows to dust off the excess product that I have on my brows. And then I'm using this 2 shade from the Sephora geometric palette. I'm going to fill this, and with the help of this 2 shade I'm going to fill my brows. And here I'm using a angled brow brush. I'm going to apply the darkest shade on the outer part, like the arch of my brow, and the lightest shade on the inner corners of my brow. Now with this powder highlighter, I'm going to brighten up my under eye area a bit more. It doesn't have any sparkling elements, so it's great for this kind of nude look. And also I'm going to apply this on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Then to contour my face, I'm using this warm brown shade, and I'm slightly contour my jawline and the hollows of my cheek. Then for my eye makeup, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. First I'm going to use this brown shade, light brown shade. I'm using a fluffy brush on all over my upper eyelid and also on my lower eyelid, lower waterline. Then I'm using this darker brown shade on my lower waterline, and here I am using a blending brush in a small size. Then I am using this jet black shade. This is a matte black shade, and I am using this on my waterline as well. I am going to apply this on the outer corner of my waterline, and here I am using the same brush. Then I am using this shade from the l.a.girl Cheeky and Highlighter palette, and I am going to apply this on my upper eyelid. And for this I am using a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. I am applying this only on the crease just to define the eyelid. Then I am using the highlighter shade from the same palette and going to apply this on the inner corner of my eyelid. Then I am applying the Faces Kajal on my lower waterline. Then I am using this brush and the shade from the palette, and I am going to smudge my kajal to intensify the look more. And then I'm using this V-Face contour palette, and I'm using the shade pink. I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheek and also a little bit on my chin area and on my nose. Then I'm using the shade Ruby Woo from MAC, and I'm not going to apply heavily, but I'm going to dab the product a little bit on my lips. And then I'm using the shade Peach Magnet from Lakme. I'm going to apply this all over my lips. Then I'm going to curl my lashes with the Body Shop curler. Then I'm using the mascara primer for my lashes, and after 2 to 5 seconds later I'm using the mascara. And I'm not going to add any falsies, so I want my mascaras to last long. Then I put the matching bindi, and I'm going to put this shade on my lips just to customize the look. And I'm going to put this gold jewelry. And this is the complete look. I think this fits for morning and night as well, and this is the look that every Bengali love to wear during Durga Pujo. I hope this helps, and subscribe my channel for more such video and share your opinion in the comment section.